export the logo itself and see how we can provide different things. Okay, so what we need to do is to enlist things that would help. So it's a TV station. So what are the things that are we likely going to need, right? Normally we know we're going to need t-shirts. Almost all brands will have t-shirts. So let's say we're going to have a t-shirt. For instance, we're going to have what else are we going to have? We're going to have we'll have a t-shirt. We would have the logo is going to be appearing on a TV, right? So this logo is going to be appearing on a TV. So we have to note that, okay, this logo is going to be appearing on a TV. Okay, so in some way we have to make it appear on the TV. So another thing is that most TV stations now they have apps. So they are likely going to have an app, maybe an app that has their TV embedded in it, right? So we also have a mobile. Um, we have to we need to have a mobile mockup, right? We need to have a mobile mockup. Then something else we need to have. Let's just add one more thing we need to do. Okay, we'll talk about, and mind you, all these are spontaneous. We're just trying to do this, and it's spontaneous, right? So it's spontaneous, and okay. What's the last thing we could have? What's the last thing we could have? What's the last thing we could have? We could have, okay, we have a shirt, we have a mobile version. Then let's have a cap, right? Let's have a cap. Okay, let's have a cap. Let's use these three things to just say what we are doing here, right? To give context to this logo. So we've been contracted, okay, Geo World, and we are done with the logo. So now let's properly present this logo or represent this logo in different mock-ups. You can do as many mock-ups as possible, right? But let's stick to these three for the sake of this video. Let's stick to 3 mock-ups. Okay, so firstly, we need a site where we can get mockups. So normally you could get mockups from Google. You could get mockups from Google. You could get mockups from Google, right? You could get mockups from Google. And okay, let's just try to export our logo. Let's try to export it, and let's have different versions. Okay, so let's have different versions. Let's have okay. So I'm going to delete this. So let's have this. So let's have different version of this logo. So we are also going to have a white version. Let's just fill it with white. Let's fill it with white, right? Let's fill it with white. And I'm going to take off this shadow. I'll take off this shadow. Okay, taking off this shadow. Let's see. So we just try to take off this shadow. I think it should be from appearance. Photoshop. Just a minute, just a minute, just a minute, just a minute, just a minute. Um, just a minute. I don't know if you still know how to export. I don't know if you still know how to export or you've forgotten. You still know how to export. You still know how to export. How many of you tried it yesterday to export something? To export something from what do they call it? You tried to export something from Illustrator. Did you try exporting the logo we made yesterday? How many of you tried? Nobody. Really? Ah, it means you didn't finish your work. Oh. It means you didn't finish your work. So let's look for some mockups. Let's look for some mockups that we can use. Let's look for some mockups that we can use. Okay. Let's look for some mockup that we can use. Okay. So there are different sites to get mockups. Right? Different websites to get mockups. Different websites. Different websites to get mockups. And the number one site that I always recommend to get mockups is sometimes I search with Google. Sometimes I just like searching with Google for mockups, and from there it will direct me to a particular site, right? But there are some websites you can get mockup. For instance, you can use Mockup World. You can use Mockup World to get mockups. You can use it to get mockups. It has numerous mockups, and they are free and they are paid mockups. So not all mockups you find. You're not going to find all mockups for free. You are not going to find any mockup. You're not going to find all mockups rather for free. You're not going to find all mockups for free. You're never going to find all mockups for free. So some you would need to buy. You will need to buy them. You will need to buy them. You will need to buy them. So, but there are a lot of them for free that you could be using. There are quite a lot of mockups that you could be using for free. Okay. When it comes to resources, design resources like fonts, uh, okay, mockups, fonts, all of them. Sometimes you have to pay for them, especially when what you want to do, maybe because the most you don't find them for free, except maybe you have somebody that has it for free and he wants to distribute it to you. Okay. He wants to distribute it to you or just give it to you. Like for instance, over the years I've been working, I have mockups I already have. Okay, I can decide to give it to somebody, right? So just like that. Or you could just get it. But I would advise, if you are just starting out, you're still trying out things and um you don't really have clients that are paying you, are just doing maybe just for your portfolio sake, you can start with free mockups we have. Okay, just start with free mockups. There are still amazing free mockups you can start with that would still um, um, make your presentation better. Okay, so you want to start with these mockups, and one of the sites you could use is, like I said, Google. You could use Google to get mockups. Just search any mockup at all on Google and it will direct you. We will direct you, right?